My name is Leah Bedrosian-Peterson, and I'm Chair and Professor of Film and Video Arts at Lycoming College. What makes students really interested in the Film and Video Arts department at Lycoming College is that not only are they studying how to make very interesting films through the art of directing and producing and screenwriting and editing, but that they also have a foundation in the liberal arts. So they're learning psychology, social sciences, the fine arts, so they're becoming well-developed, well-rounded filmmakers. They're drawing from all elements of life and bringing that into the craft of storytelling. The film industry encompasses so much of what we do here at Lycoming College, and it really does draw from a multitude of departments across campus and encompasses it all here in this one department.
You're allowed to be creatively free. The professors kind of help you ground yourself and indulge in having good quality work. They have also helped me get out of my comfort zone and build a community full of people who love filmmaking.
Beginning in our Film and Video Production 1 class, students are hands-on with the equipment. So they're making several short films in that foundational class, and they continue to do so throughout their time here. So our advanced students are working with Netflix-approved gear, and we're always updating our equipment to provide the best quality cameras, lighting equipment, sound equipment for our students to make beautiful, high-quality work.
Ever since I got here, my professors have been very encouraging and inspiring for me in the film program. Professor Decky actually got me a job through Thrive International Program to shoot social media content for them, which is a job I don't think I could have found by myself. Along with Professor Peterson, I got to shoot a film with her through the school, which was a really good experience to see how she functions on a set and how a set should function in order to make sure a movie gets made.
I think there's so many different opportunities in film and video right now that it's expanding even as I'm speaking. Video is a part of everything now. There's opportunities to work in advertising, independent film, having your own business, animation. There's just the number of opportunities and fields and paths that you can take it continues to multiply, and they're all, I would say, increasingly lucrative as well.
I feel like I've had a pretty good relationship with most of my professors. They're very kind and they're very generous with their time. That's what makes me being here at Lycoming more enjoyable, because I can talk to them and I feel like I connect with them.
Faculty and student relationships are unique in the Film and Video Arts department in that we are always working closely with one another, whether it be editing in the lab together, workshopping ideas in screenplays and story development, where we have to break our ideas down to the basic foundation and then build them back up together. Whether it's during critique where we're talking about our ideas and really getting down to the raw basics of where we have to work through our ideas together. Not only are our students incredibly creative, but they're also high achieving. They've won WISE internships. They have been considered for Chieftain Awards. There's really no limit to what they can accomplish. The Film and Video Arts department is invested in the creative vision of our students, and I'm really excited to see how that grows.